Okay, let's see if we can find any rainbows. Ooh, the sun's out and everything. Do you see any rainbows? Oh, sorry. It's raining? Uh-huh. What do you mean it's raining? It's just water right here. I feel like the water pressure's gone down. Yeah, maybe not. That would be weird. Do it again? Are you getting wet? Is Ryker wet?
No, we need more water, Mommy.
You need what?
More water, Daddy.
More water?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's an unusual thing. Where do you need the water at?
At ground.
At ground, okay. Oh no! Leave it up there? Okay.
Come on.
Is it raining?
It's raining.
It's raining. Oh no, it's like it's really raining. Where'd the rain go?
Oh God. It's rain.
Whoa, you okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
More rain.
More rain. As if our yard needs more rain.
Honey, can you hose the back of this down?
It's raining.
Huh?